Would you rather spend time with your wife or your husband? Or would you prefer going to see a soccer game or a partido de fútbol? What would you prefer? I wonder. To spend time, okay? We don't usually say to pass time. Like, I pass the time, yes, like you do this to pass the time. I've heard that before, but the expression here is to spend time. Puse una S al lado because that means that the idiom or the phrasal verb in question, so this one, is separable, which means you can put some words in between, like adverbs, for example. So I'll show you the difference here. So to spend time juntos, we'll see the first example for that one. But what does it mean, first of all, to spend time? Pasar el tiempo, hacer una actividad, pasar el tiempo over a period of time. So the first example is Dora would rather spend time. So en lugar de decir would rather, pueden decir prefiere. So Dora prefers to spend time. O pueden decir Dora would rather spend time watching TV than doing homework. It is like investing my time in a leisure, yes, in a hobby, in an activity, in something, to spend time. So here we have Dora. She would rather spend time watching TV than doing homework. So she prefers TV. She does not, and then, like, she prefers doing that, not that. What do you prefer? Would you rather spend time with your wife or your husband? Or would you prefer going to see a soccer game, partido de fútbol? What would you prefer? I wonder. Second example. Thank you, Danny. You would rather spend time watching my video, no, this video, than watching TV. So make sure to keep watching, okay, in your sentence. If you say spend time watching this video, then watching TV. It has to match. Second example. My sister spent too much time. Did you see what happened here? Separamos spend time, pero en el pasado. So sería spent time. No pueden decir my sister too much spent time. No se dice. No pueden decir tampoco my sister spent time too much getting ready. No se dice tampoco. You have to separate it. My sister spent too much time. El too much va con tiempo. Spent too much time getting ready this morning. So, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué sucedió? Llegó tarde al trabajo. She was late for work. So, in the second example, to spend is in the past tense. My sister spent time getting ready this morning, but she spent too much time. Okay? Spent con una T. En el presente, spend con una D. So, fíjense bien en eso, ¿ok?